Amensolar S Company Limited, located in Suzhou, an international manufacturing city in the center of the Yangtze River Delta, is a photovoltaic enterprise integrating R&D, supply, and sales. Holding the concept of focusing on quality, technology upgrading, customers' demand, and professional service. Amensolar has become the strategic partner with many famous solar energy companies in the world. Adhering to the development strategy of being professional and international, Amensolar makes great efforts to provide high-quality comprehensive services to customers around the world. As the participant and promoter of the development of the global photovoltaic energy storage industry, Amensolar realizes self-worth by continuously improving its services. Amensolar's main products include solar photovoltaic energy storage inverters, energy storage battery systems, etc. And Amensolar provides the services of system design, project construction and maintenance, and third-party operation and maintenance. Amensolar is aiming to be the comprehensive solution provider for the global new energy storage industry. With the services of consulting, design, construction, operation, and maintenance for residential energy storage systems, industrial and commercial energy storage systems. Amensolar will provide customers with one-stop solutions for energy storage systems. With the principle of quality and customer orientation, Amensolar gained good reputation from many customers and partners for providing quality products and a full range of quality services to customers. Amensolar will always make unremitting efforts for the bright future of energy and environmental protection in modern society.